Chartreuse,
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 Chartreuse.
though you think it's mighty cute.
Welcome to Lecoq's Corona TV service thingy.
Yeah.
Episode 2, where we drink Chartreuse, talk about it, and we cannot sell it to you. Haha. So we reached the second one, and we should have something I cannot pronounce. This one, and that's why that's how you come in, Valentin, because that's your main force.
Yeah.
You actually know that bloody language.
I can read. So it's a liquor du 9e centenaire. So liquor of the 9th century. No, I don't know.
Yes.
Yeah.
See, you just said you could read, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I can translate.
But it's strange with it. Yeah.
The name 9th century, it came on the international market, or they started producing it back in 1984.
Yeah.
And 9 centuries before 1984, we had the year of 1084, where the Chartreuse monastery was founded in the Chartreuse mountains by Friar Saint Bruno.
Yes.
And he had 6 friends. They saw some shit up on a mountain. Anyway, the Capuchin monks were born.
Yeah.
And they are the monks who still produce this thing today.
Yeah. Let's make a toast for the Capuchin monks.
For the Capuchin monks, yeah.
I guess.
Yeah. That's religious I am today. I did a good job here.
Yeah.
2 monks who know the recipe. They say it's 2 nowadays, but sometimes they say 3. It depends.
Yeah. It's like 3?
I don't know.
4 each, because there is the 2 that knows,
The recipe.
and 2 other that have to be trained for that.
I think that's only 2, but I think they're so. I know talking to the exporters and people in charge. It's a new story every time. They're friends and they're drunk and they produce Chartreuse, and what do they know?
Exactly. I'm also confused, but
I have
at least they still continue producing it without drinking it.
But they have the funny story where they say that only their monks are not allowed to travel together.
Yeah.
So they have to split up. But if there are 4 monks, it doesn't matter. 1 monk can die and can just go 2, and then it's not a problem. But they're only allowed to travel by themselves because the recipe will get lost if they both die. Yeah. If there's 4, I think it's only 2. But what do they know anyway? It's just a story in markets. When would you ever have a problem where 4 monks have to travel together? Monks, what do monks really do, right?
It sounds like a bad joke.
Probably, or maybe a good one.
Or maybe a great one.
So, what do we say about this? I think this is better than the regular, by far.
It's
It's really sweet.
Female approach.
It's also a bit later, lower grades. This is, what was it, 47? And regular green is 55, so it's not as hot, but it is not as sweet as the yellow.
But I think it also works well for Danish people because it tastes like licorice. I think I can taste a lot of licorice.
Bottom up, and next one.
This one.
Thanks for now, and see you for another Chartreuse sometimes in the future.